Anyang sinuyo ko po king parokyana ning Santa Ana. Ing September 14, metong yapong special ayaldo. Ulinapin po ning Holy Cross Academy. Ding magaral ka rin, ding magobra ka rin, at tila pong ID, at parati yung makakabit ka relatang in hoc signe vinces. In hoc signe vinces. By design, you shall conquer. The cross. Na din pong buklat ng Charles ing misa at sabihan na pag masusyan tayo pungeni ing kapiesta na ning tagumpe ning krus. Bayo yami pa ko Jesus king krus. Eya po simbolo ning tagumpe. It was incomprehensible. It was unthinkable for the cross to be a sign of triumph. Ing krus simbolo ning kamarinayan, pangalupig, kasakitan, ayalang kapupuntalan. The cross was a sign of utter failure, shame, and a suffering without purpose. Pero, uli na ning mi pako, ing krus king sarili na kapilanman eya maging tandaning tagumpe. Maging tandane mo ning tagumpe ing krus, uli na ning mipako kaniti. I Kristo gewaneng tandaning tagumpe ing krus. Bakit? Uli na pining kakatang dimdam king ebanghelyo. On the cross, the Father revealed the fullness of His love. For God so loved the world, He gave His only Son. Nung king krus ng Jesus, pepakit na ning Diyos, ing kayang lugod, ing kayang pakamal kay katamo, tuto, meging tagumpeya, meging dalane ning tagumpe ing krus. Ipanalangin da kayo at ipanalangin nyo ko naman, bang kanita karing krus, ewari nga ng Jesus king ebanghelyo niyang Domingo, you cannot be my disciple if you cannot carry your cross. Akit ta sana karing krus tamo, ing tutukyan tayo i Jesus. At makiwangis tamo kaya. Naringke katamong krus, ela mo tandaning sakit at kaplas. No naringke katamong krus king biye, ilaring paralan ning lugod, that our daily sacrifices and hardships celebrate our faithful love. Makanyan la pong maging dalaning tagumpe, dingaldoldo tamong krus. The cross you carry is meaningless unless you carry it following Christ. Abasa kaya mo po ita at atandanan ke. Alang kabaldugan ning mamusan kang krus, nung nakamantutuki kang Jesus. At potang pupusanan ming krus mo, tutuki ka kang Jesus. Ing krus mo, yapining lugod, pakamal, pamanyuyo, at sakripisyo ning kekang sarili. Without the cross, without Christ, it's a meaningless cross. But with Christ and we following Him, the cross is truly a sign of life. The cross is a plus sign. Eka mag-minus, potang kakaulan mo rin kekang krus bilang tandaning lugod. Nune, mag-plus ka. Nanong buriyo po. Minus o plus. Ngayon pa namang panahon ng COVID, makatakot siyang plus. Positive. But Christ is the greatest positive. Our Savior, our